Hello, welcome everyone. Just want to give you a brief introduction on what is bioinformatics. It's a combination of different fields. We have a basis of molecular biology, understanding of molecular biology and statistics, programming knowledge, and also the bioinformatics tools and softwares that are available for free online, and also about the next-gen sequencing. So a combination of this is what makes bioinformatics. So our goal is to analyze large sets of biological data and produce significant conclusions from it. This really helps us come up with some vaccines and a cure for a lot of diseases. So I just want to explain how our certificate program works. These are the 4 core courses that we're going to start. Right now we have different core courses, but we're changing a lot of, we're including a lot of new courses. We're trying to introduce a lot more programming courses and make it more centered towards bioinformatics. Right now we are offering the experimental methods in molecular biology. We're currently offering that. We're going to start our pulse session on June 29th. We're going to start the next-gen sequence analysis tools. We have BioPython that's coming end of 2020, and we have a statistical analysis course that's coming up early 2021. So we have all these courses, and if some of them are very new to you, if you're a programmer, if you don't have any experience in molecular biology, you're welcome to take a prerequisite. So you get additional knowledge before taking the core course. And if you're an expert in molecular biology, and if you have a lot of knowledge in that, you're welcome to substitute one of the core courses to our electives. We have a lot of interesting elective courses, so you can definitely substitute if you already have a knowledge in that. So these are the main changes we are bringing to our certificate program. We're adding a lot more programming courses because that's the core for bioinformatics. We're making a lot of classes online to give more flexibility. And we are also giving a lot of courses that has practical application and uses, hands-on. How do you go on a day-to-day by using all this? So if you have any questions about the field, the job opportunities, or anything about the certificate program, feel free to message me. This is my email address, and you can also message me in LinkedIn.